force, gravity force, and make it rotate in a very simple way. You may ask, sir, what is the concept? The concept is, I have roamed this country like anything, very inaccessible places. In my roaming, I found I and you enjoy the urban facilities, but downtrodden people doesn't have any of the facilities. And where the electrical lines, my friends' electrical lines do not reach there. But some energy is available in the country. Then can I even do something to that? That was the motivation. That means I confine myself to 1 kVA solar power plant and 5 kVA solar power plant. Fortunately, I got a networking with Tata Big Solar. They have taken it up. They are supporting me. Apart from that, TEPP has come forward and they are giving me the financial support. But the original concept was demonstrated with just a plywood of 1 meter square. Now today, I am doing it for a 18 watt power PV module, and the performance evaluation will be somewhere by June it will be complete. Then I will take for 1 kVA, 5 kVA. Thank you so much. Thanks for listening.
My request is that use this time to just briefly tell about yourself and your work, but not more than half an hour. 30 seconds, because you go around the place and if you break at 10:30 for tea, you don't have much time. So you will have your session, then you will have more than 5 minutes to talk about. At least restrain yourself. I know innovators and everybody has an urge to share at the first opportunity great work that they're doing. That's the reason I have invited you here. We want to hear from you, but kindly just restrain yourself now and brief.
Good morning, I am Dheeraj Lari. I am from Pune. I have developed multiple engines which can be run on any cell, and I am trying to commercialize this with my employer. Thank you.
I am Bhupender Singh. I am coming from Bhopal and representing Dollar industry. Dollar industry mainly dealing in DBR, dynamic braking register with Indian Railway. The dynamic braking register is mainly used in electrical locomotive. It is an electrical braking system. It helps in reducing the speed of train from 100 km to 65 km gradually. And it helps in gradation also.
Good morning, all of you, sir. My name is Ramarao. I invented diesel petrol vehicles, pollution and sound control filter unit. This is more useful for human health protection device. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Hi, my name is Vishnu Bhavat. I am from Bangalore. I have developed an Ayurvedic product for vaginitis. Vaginitis is white discharge in the woman. It's an Ayurvedic, we call it Shvetapatra. I'll tell you more about this in my session. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Dr. Apurva Ganguly. I am from West Bengal. I have just invented herbal medicine and some students for any muscular diseases of the neurological problem, like sleepiness and others. And I have just tested all over the world last 25 years, in USA, Canada, all parts of the world. Now, very recently, I have just installed this in Singapore, and Singapore government has come forward to all my products and others. I will talk about this point in my session.
Good morning, everybody. I am Dr. P.K. Ghosh from Indian Institute of Technology, Roorkee. I am basically metallurgical and materials engineer, as well as working with mechanical engineering department. I was there for 10 years. I am coordinator of intellectual property rights cell of IIT Roorkee, as well as coordinator of technology, the TIP program, Technology Promotion Program, Outreach Center of Uttarakhand. And I am also coordinator of Business and Technology Incubation Center in IIT Roorkee from DIT and MSME. I am also Vice President of the Indian Society for Construction Materials. My primary area of working in our office, that is to improve the situation of creation. We could very well appreciate and identify where we should work. that creation is a big problem in all intellectual institutes, higher education institutes. We are working not only within our institute, but also we are working with European Union, with IP Unilink program, that is Erasmus program with big countries and EU. We are running that course for human resource development in our institute on intellectual property rights, and from the next session we are going to start first time in India maybe, that is 2 years master's program on IP management. And in this program, lot of national and international countries are going to participate. I have patent also in few areas, that is primarily in nanomaterial disbursement, that we will discuss later on. Thank you very much.
Good morning everyone, I am Alok Goyal. With my wife, I have developed taste scales, scientific taste scales like temperature scale, which is basic research and methods and the instrument to measure it. It will help with more so in diabetes and all the lifestyle disease control. So it's other things. Thank you.
Good morning, I am Sadhna Goyal. I have come here with my husband and he has already told you about the idea. Thank you.
Good morning, I am A.S. Rao. I am in the TEP program of Government of India. So this is one of the funding window for the innovators. I look forward to meet each of you and learn more about you people and your work.
Hello, good morning everybody. I am John Rupavate from Ahmednagar. It is very close to Shirdi. You may be knowing Shirdi. So I have invented a multi-purpose machining attachment. Multi-purpose machining attachment. Generally it is called a milling head attachment. This will be very useful for internal operations in the metal. Actually, so far we have seen the internal operations are done in a very poor method. That is like slotting or shaping. But I have designed such a milling head that can mill the inside the board with that operation will be very smooth and perfect and as is the external operations. Thank you very much.
Hello, good morning ladies and gentlemen. I am from Assam. I am a Sanskrit individual. My name is Kamal Gogai.
He has done many things, we will discuss it later, but just to mention to you, he has developed a compressed air vehicle, he has developed solar boat, he has developed a device to develop its generate energy from the movement of the traffic on the road and all kinds of things. I suppose we will develop more technology.
Good morning everybody, I am Indran from Chennai, working in Chennai Football Corporation Limited. In my company, there is a nitrogen plant which was creating noise pollution. We found a destination for that and we have transformed that noise pollution totally to zero level. And it helped in conserving energy also. We have given a lot of suggestions and we have received Prime Minister Shah Bhushan Award in